All right, let's see if I remember how to do this. Hey guys, maybe not look directly into the sun. I think that's a good angle. Yeah. Hey guys, Amanda here with e-bike reviews and Hey guys, Amanda here with Yoo-hoo. Do I even know how to do intros anymore? I'm not sure. We're gonna try this again. Hey guys! That was a superhero landing. Hold on a second. Hey guys, I'm jumping back into the channel. My name is Amanda and welcome back to e-bike reviews and adventures. Today I'm going to be talking about my sister's Velotric GoMad. So let's get started. Alright guys, now that the hard part is out of the way, this is the Velotric GoMad. This is my sister's personal bike. Look at how pretty. She said it's better than my Traxxas Explorer. Don't tell her that I agree with her. I think it is pretty snazzy. It looks nice. It's looking sporty. I like the color. This color is called Obsidian. And it's got this real nice, colorful, like sparkly sheen to it that just made me all giddy inside. So, how about we start up here in the cockpit? Ooh, I remembered what it was called. Look at me go. All right, so I like these grips. Here I have our little control pad. Got the power button. I'll just turn that on real quick so you guys can see the screen. Here I've got blinkers. You got your left blinker. Right there. Got your right blinker. Right there. You got your plus or minus. If you hold this, oh, can you see that symbol? Not really. But there is a symbol up here on the plus button that is for if you hold it down, it turns your headlight on. Anywho, let's take a look at our screen over here. It should be blacked out enough for you guys to see. So with the finger pad over here, the plus or minus, you can change the mode of your e-bike. So instead of it going from like speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and beyond, you just use the finger pad. I'm gonna use the plus because right now it's off and it goes up to Eco, Tour, Trail, Sport, Boost, and those are the modes that are for this GoMad Velotric. I don't remember exactly the specifics that Dad told me. It's just, they're different modes of power for the most part. I mean, it does still affect the speed as well. Here in the back, we have a 750 watt motor. This is an attachment that was sent to us for putting like a child seat back here. We don't currently have the child seat, but you do have the option to put a seat back here in case you want to take your kids with you. This bag right here is Basil. It is from Amazon. It is one of our personal bags. It is not something that Velotric sent us. Back here, this is a really cool feature. It looks like a mailbox. If I can unzip it. Oh, there we go. This is a, my goodness. It doesn't want to do. Good thing I'm not on the payroll yet. I might get fired. Anywho, it's like a little mailbox. Can't open it all the way, but this is for your spare battery if you're going for a longer trip. Making my way around. Your battery on this bad boy, by the way, is 16 amp per hour. 16 amp hour? Am I saying that right? It's been a minute. I think it is 16. That is the magic number. I think I said it correctly. 16 amp hour. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna ride this in boost. I'm just gonna take it for a little spinny spin. I try to angle it so you guys can see the cockpit a little bit. Oh my gosh. I don't have a throttle, so I gotta pedal this. Oh, okay. There we go. Now we're moving. So this is in boost. It is torque. see, it's gonna probably get me up to about 28 miles per hour. And I can see the miles per hour on the screen now too. Okay, get out here onto the road. It feels good. I like the way that it handles. It does have those nice fat tires. I've always liked the fatter tires. I feel like I have more control on the road, and you can definitely hit any kind of terrain with those tires too, which is a feature that I always look for when I'm looking at upgrading my bike, so that I can hit the trails, I can hit the sidewalk, doesn't matter. Picking up a little bit of speed now. Ooh, it is windy. I hope you guys can hear me okay. Pedaling just a little bit faster. Yeah, getting up to about 18 miles per hour. Brakes work great. I mean, I would hope they would. Riding around the neighborhood. It's been a minute since I rode around on one of the e-bikes, and it's definitely been a while since I've done a review, so I do apologize if I am butchering my words a little bit. But I am definitely happy to be back on the channel. I won't be here as often. I'm only gonna be here once a week because I do have a full-time job and other responsibilities to take care of, but I'm happy to be here, for sure. Life has treated me well. Don't have a lot of complaints, so hope everyone else is doing well too. I'm gonna take off here and go down this road because it wouldn't be an Amanda ride without going and saying hello to the donkeys and the chickens that live over here. This bike really does handle really nicely. It feels good. Something I forgot to mention too, this is our own saddle. We love to stick by our Blue Wind. You can kind of see it. Yeah, we like to stick with our Blue Wind saddles. Those are the comfiest saddles that we have found on the market. So, just a little disclosure, this is not Velotric's. This is from Amazon. I hope you guys can bear with me. I probably missed a few details, but I will be getting back into making these videos at least once a week. I do have a full-time job and I have other responsibilities that I need to take care of, so I'm not gonna be on the channel all the time, but I will be making special guest appearances. Ooh, a little squeaky there. Goodness. Ugh. Accidentally hit my kickstand, or Emma's kickstand, I should say, rather. I really like her bike. I think she did a good job with upgrading. It really does feel good. Like, I can zigzag and make adjustments real quick if I need to. There's a goat. Gotta say hi to the goat. On, keeping on. All right, so I'm gonna see how fast I can go with this boost. So I'm at about 20 miles per hour. What if I do sport? Any difference? I'm pedaling at the same rate. Trail. Tour. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out what the difference is between the different modes. I know it has something to do with power and speed, so I'll have to figure that one out. But thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you look forward to seeing me more on the channel. Take care.